Alright, next up here is Intel on my hammer scan watch list here. Finally put in a strong hammer candle here off of very well respected supports here of virtually every moving average that I use for my purposes. The 8, 21, 50, and 200 are all right here now below price. Now you can see buyers stepped in, confirmed by the amount of volume. There are participants in the trade now. We'll be looking for a substantial continuation up, possibly up to around this range here where the sellers came in last time, 37 to 36.80 roughly. But with the overall chart and the weekly and the monthly time frames, I'm an uber bull on Intel for now, and I will continue to try and ride it up as high as I possibly can. The pattern here on the intraday time frame here is a very nice looking potential breakout pattern. Failed sell off, came back up, tested the opening price, did have resistance there, but failed to make a new low. Tells me there's still a fair amount of strength here. We'll go ahead and throw on a trend line here throughout the intraday time frame there and look for something like that to hold. Now what I'll be looking for is a long above 36.34 with a stop just below this VWAP here. Now, as it turns out, Intel is not necessarily a stock that does like to trend intraday. It'll give a pop, sell off, put in a base somewhere, and then continue to run in the direction it was going originally. So I do kind of expect somewhat of a pullback. If it triggers me in first, I will likely build a position, build into a larger position versus this stop loss. May even be a little less disciplined and move my stop loss down here to build a larger position. This was the previous breakout level from the previous day, the Dragonfly Doji, which was on Thursday, and it has now confirmed and continued higher. So any kind of trigger in here, I will be looking for an overall target of at least 37, which is not too far away. So I'll go ahead and move this one actually and change it to 37, and that'll be my intraday plan for Intel going forward. I'm still very bullish on Intel and do expect it to continue much higher, but just for a trade, this is what I'll be looking at in Intel.